Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today is a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how I'm changing my sneaker room. So at the moment I currently film in this. As you can see, it's quite unorganized and a little bit messy. I've got a lot of boxes down here and everything like that. So this video is just going to be showing you what I'll be doing to the room. So up here on the wall, I'm getting rid of this shelving unit here, and I'm actually getting floating shelves that go in the wall on both sides of the real or fake sign. Then I'm going to be getting rid of those cupboards there, and also on this side getting rid of this kind of like desk and unit here, which should give me a little bit more space in the room just to film a little few more things. And I think it'll look a little bit better with the floating shelves on the wall behind with the videos. So stay tuned and we'll see how it turns out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the...
So I'm having to dismantle this because I cannot get out the door. So I've locked myself in until I can get this dismantled. Great.
Me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really...
So hopefully this gives you a better idea. The wall is completely free. So now I'm going to have shelves going all the way down here attached to the wall with all the shoes on it, and it's going to go on either side of the real or fake sign. So it's going to be a complete shoe wall. So hopefully it looks okay, and hopefully the wall holds the shelves. This is probably the cleanest this room's ever been. So we'll see what the shelves look like. I'll do the whole process for you. I'll try and show you how I line them up, everything like that. I'm pretty pernickety on all the details, so I want it to be exact. So this might take a while, so I'll try and speed it up for you guys. Right, so I've cleared up the room and now I'm heading to IKEA to pick up the shelves. I've ordered 10 for one side and 10 for the left side, so hopefully it works out right. I think I've measured it correctly. If not, we'll be going back and buying more. So I'm back in the car now, come from IKEA. Look how perfectly they fitted in the back there. That is unbelievable. Just like fitted perfectly all the way in the back of the car. So now we're heading back to the house and have it all set up for you. So as I edit through the rest of this video, I have a little confession to make. I didn't actually do the shelves myself. You can see them in the background here and they turned out amazingly. But if I was to do them myself, they probably wouldn't have. So I got Ronnie to do them for me. So big shout out to Ronnie, and here's to the rest of the video. So here we are, finally the shelves are finished. So I'll give you a look at it now. As you can see, the shelves are on both sides here. Then we have a top shelf going on the top, which is going to be accessories and different things like that. The desk will go in front when I'm doing videos and different things like that, but I'm just going to show you it quite clear out, and I'll set up the shoes and show you the whole progress now. So here is the final look at how it turned out. Look at the new sneaker wall. How amazing does that look? So we've got all the sneakers down this side and all the sneakers down this side as well. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna put the desk right in front so I film the videos with this as the backdrop, but I'm super happy. Couldn't have been any better. I still need to organize how the sneakers are gonna be set up because they're a little bit all over the place with colors and different things like that. But overall, super happy. it couldn't have turned out any better. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. So here is the final setup. I'll show it to you now. I'm super happy with it. It's all tidied and I'll show you everything. So on the left here we have the lighting and pretty much all the shoes that I've got for sale. Spin it around and you can see here is the desk setup with the shoe wall behind. I'm super happy with how it looks. Then on the right here we just have some collectibles and some extra shoes and obviously the artwork on the side here. But I think it looks really clean. I'm super happy with how it has turned out. So please leave a like and subscribe if you like how the setup turned out. It took a lot of time, so super happy with how it turned out. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. And thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.